Ever wondered why your aluminum foil doesn't come with a "use this side for barbecues" instruction? You know, it's a bit of a head scratcher, isn't it? One would think that something as commonplace as aluminum foil would come with a comprehensive user manual, right? Or at least some guidance on how to perfectly wrap those sizzling barbecue ribs, but alas, the mysteries of the foil world remain. Well, buckle up, curious minds, as we journey into the fascinating world of aluminum foil production. So where does this shiny, crinkly wonder come from? Mars? A secret underground lab? Nope, it's just good old aluminum. Our tale begins deep beneath the Earth's crust, where bauxite ore hangs out, just waiting to be mined. Imagine bauxite as the shy kid at the party, hiding in the corner, but once it's discovered, it becomes the life of the party. This reddish-brown rock is the primary source of aluminum, and it's quite the globetrotter, found in places as diverse as Australia, Brazil, and Guinea. Now, we can't just take this bauxite and start wrapping our sandwiches in it. No, it needs a little makeover first. Enter the Bayer process, named after its creator, Carl Joseph Bayer, not the aspirin company. Here, bauxite is washed, crushed, and mixed with a hot caustic soda solution. Think of it as a spa day for the bauxite, a facial and hot tub soak all in one. What emerges from this pampering is a lovely white powder called alumina. But don't mistake it for flour, this isn't for your Sunday pancakes. Alumina is aluminum oxide and is ready for the next big step in its journey. Now it's time for the Hall-Héroult process, the main event, the piece de resistance. This is where our alumina gets a serious glow-up. It's placed in a molten bath of cryolite and zapped with a boatload of electricity. Imagine it as a supercharged dip in the pool. When the dust, or rather the sparks, settle, what do we have? You guessed it, aluminum. But this isn't your supermarket aisle aluminum foil just yet. It's more like a shiny metallic ingot, a bit like a silver loaf of bread. This ingot then goes through a series of hot and cold rolling processes. Think of it as the ultimate yoga session, where it's stretched and flexed until it's only a few thousandths of an inch thick. And voila, you've got aluminum. But wait, we're not done yet. It's still not ready for your sandwich. So you have a chunk of aluminum. Great, but how do you turn this into something you can wrap your leftover pizza in? Well, imagine you have a pancake, a big, round, fluffy pancake. Now, imagine a steamroller comes along and squashes that pancake into a thin, flat pancake rug. That's essentially what happens to our friend, the aluminum chunk. First, the aluminum is heated until it's malleable, like Play-Doh. Then it's fed through a series of rolling mills, kind of like an industrial-strength pasta maker. These mills apply immense pressure, squashing the aluminum thinner and thinner with each pass. Remember our pancake? Well, it's starting to look less like breakfast and more like a yoga mat. But we're not done yet. This aluminum sheet is then doubled over and sent through the rolling mills again and again and again. Each time it goes through, it gets thinner and thinner until it's about as thin as a sheet of paper. But we're not stopping at paper thin. Oh no, we want foil thin. So we double it over one more time, give it a final roll, and voila, we have aluminum foil. It's a meticulous process requiring precision and control, but the end result is worth it. A thin, flexible sheet of metal that can withstand high heat, keep food fresh, and even be used to make a nifty hat if you're feeling particularly creative. And just like that, your aluminum chunk is transformed into a roll of shiny, crinkly leftover preserving wonder. So, to sum it all up, imagine an action-packed blockbuster movie. Our hero? None other than a humble chunk of aluminum. At the start, we find our protagonist buried deep within the Earth's crust, a raw and unrefined bauxite. Through a series of trials and tribulations, it's mined and refined into a pure, shiny piece of aluminum. But the journey doesn't end there. Oh no, our hero is thrust into a fiery furnace, heated to over 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a dangerous and dramatic ordeal, but our hero emerges stronger and thinner than ever before. It's transformed into a roll of aluminum foil, ready to take on the world. It's a tale of courage, of transformation, of, well, metallurgy really. But it's also a tale of how the everyday objects in our lives have incredible journeys behind them. And that, folks, is the epic journey of aluminum foil, from the earth to your kitchen. So the next time you're wrapping up a sandwich, give a thought to the fascinating process that brought that foil to you.